Hi, Ellie. Hi, little girl. You guys such pretty smiles. Is that a giggle or a cough? I like your new shirt. Miss Annabelle's Ballet and Dance Studio. Hey, that's from Susu. Hey, look, we put on your little baby leg warmers. You look like a real dancer. Yeah, you like that? You gonna roll over for me? I said, good girl. Good girl. Almost there, almost there. Just get that arm out. Look at you. Whoa! What happened? What happened? What happened, little girl? You do it again? You gonna try it again? Are you done for now? You gonna suck your thumb now?